Our farmers have suffered several years of uncertainty, and they have a Labour government in Cardiff that are trying their level best to destroy the sector. And to be fair, the Labour government are only doing what the Conservative government are doing in London. We need a government in Cardiff that's willing to listen to the agricultural community, to give and provide that security. We need a government that will scrap the NVZ scheme, that will change the white paper on agriculture and ensure that farmers have a security of income moving forwards.